Did you know that most U.S. health organizations recommend eating 2 seafood meals every week as a part of a healthy and balanced diet? One of the benefits to living in the Pacific Northwest is our access to a wide variety of fresh and healthy seafood. Both mussels and black cod, or sable fish, are a great source of protein, which helps us to build and repair tissue and helps our body produce a variety of hormones and enzymes. Protein is also a critical component to building strong bones and muscles and even your blood. Mussels and cod are also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. These compounds have a wide variety of health benefits, but are especially important for brain and heart health. Finally, both foods are also a great source of vitamin B12, a micronutrient important for nearly every cell in our body because it promotes a healthy metabolism and is critical for proper functioning of nerves. So the next time you are looking to change things up in the kitchen, pick up some nutritious and delicious Washington seafood.